pepper on toilet paper and you won't believe the outcome. I haven't had this problem in my house since I did it. And folks, that's true. But don't worry, you don't use it in the bathroom. This is a really simple tip, and I guarantee that it'll be very useful. To do this, we're going to grab a roll of toilet paper. We actually only need one piece. It doesn't need to be too big. This size is perfect. Once you have done this, take the piece of paper and fold it in half. Now we're going to roll up all the paper. Do it the way I'm doing it in the video. That's what he taught me. It was my uncle who lives on the farm. This trick is used a lot in the fields and on farms. You're sure to be surprised by the result. It'll look like a piece of rope once you've rolled up all the paper. Put the paper aside now. Add a spoonful of toothpaste to another container. You can use the one you have in your house. Now add some pepper. And then just mix it together really well until you've combined the two ingredients. Then, take a little bit of the mixture with your fingers and spread it all over the paper. And I'm sure you must be curious, wondering what this is for. I'll tell you right away, so you don't have to wait any longer. Next, we're going to need a glass container. You can use whatever you have at home. The important thing is that it's made of glass. Now all we have to do is put our paper with the mixture on it in this position. It's important to have that tip sticking out. Once you've done that, just light it on fire. You don't need to let it burn. Just let it glow red hot, because what we need is that little bit of smoke. And folks, what we've just made is an amazing mosquito repellent. That's right. This will scare away all kinds of insects, such as mosquitoes, gnats, bees, wasps, and even cockroaches. It works on all flying insects. This little bit of smoke is very potent, and it will solve your mosquito and gnat problems once and for all. The purpose of the paste with pepper is to prevent the smell of burning paper. This tip is simply amazing. A few days ago, my family and I were having trouble sleeping because of mosquitoes. And this trick saved us. It seems like magic. Just light them up and they disappear from the house. And you can leave it any part of your house, especially near the windows. So if you're dealing with flying insects in your house, be sure to try this tip. I'm sure you'll love the results.